Hello, foreign language student of class 10. In previous videos, we were discussing the importance and place of different sectors in Indian economy, and we have discussed one important graph that is share in total production of GDP. So, primary, secondary, and tertiary sector, what important changes have occurred in the 40 years, and now we will see the share in total employment. This graph we will discuss. So, take this graph. Here, see here on page number 448, percentage share of sector in employment. Just see here this graph from 72, 73 to 2011-12. That is 40 years data is given. See here, this is primary sector. See here, this primary sector. 74% were employed in primary sector, but now it has decreased to 49%. So what we have noticed that the share in employment has reduced from 74 to 49%. Similarly, in the tertiary sector, see here, 15% were employed, but now it has increased to 27%. So this has increased, employment has increased. And in your secondary sector as well, 14% were employed in the secondary sector, but now it has increased from 14 to next level. So I think you have understood it, that how this percentage share of sector employment has increased. So from this chain, what has important? The importance of the primary sector has declined. Very clearly you can understand it, but it still retains the position of major source of employment, because it is giving 49% employment. Second, there is a modest change in the role of the secondary sector, just modest change, not very leaps and bounds, just very moderate. Third, there has been a significant increase in the share of tertiary sector. Tertiary sector has increased in the total employment of the country. So I think you have got it about the two angles that we were discussing: share in total production of GDP and share in total employment. That is, from two angles we have discussed the position of our country in the three important sectors, that where how this change pattern has occurred in the 40 years, and similar trend is also on trend, and in current position in 2020 similar position is going on, and we are in the path of the same trajectory. Now, one important thing that in your mind it was coming, that how the service sector, the tertiary sector, that is in the share of total production of GDP as well as a total in employment, it has increased. So what are the reasons for growing importance of service sectors in India? What are those important reasons that is responsible for the service sector in India? So following are the important reasons we will discuss in the next video. That basic services, that it has contributed in the basic services, because of the development of means of transport and communication, more income, more services, and new services have emerged. Because of these four important reasons, the reasons that have contributed in the growth of the service sector in India. But this thing we will discuss in the next video, that how the service sector has emerged and why it has become more and more important in India, but in the next video. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.